Okay, hello everyone. Just wanted to introduce myself to those who doesn't know me yet here, when new here in the Zoom presentation or is going to listen to the replay of this presentation. Okay, I am Dennis Miras. Okay, I have been in this company since the beginning of its inception. Okay, even the Bitcoin code was launched. I was already here in the company. So that the company name is We Are All Satoshi. And yes, of course, we have a lot of products inside We Are All Satoshi, but I'm not going to tackle everything. I'm just going to go through with the nodes because actually node is a very, very powerful uh, thing to have, and that is also a very powerful opportunity to have for us to be able to at least earn extra income while doing nothing. To be honest, you are just uh, making money while you sleep. So I'll explain that better, showing you an Excel sheet that would describe to you every numbers. We all know that numbers don't lie, but of course it will not be a financial advice or anything like that, because just like you, I'm also a member of We Are All Satoshi. I'm just sharing you this opportunity. I'm not being paid by the company anything at all. Okay, this is just really purely voluntarily doing that. I wanted to share because I'm really excited to do that. Okay, so let's start by just playing a short video, okay? At least for you to have an understanding what is a node, okay? Because node is really important in a blockchain, and it will explain it there. And then of course you will if you have questions about nodes and uh other clarifications that you need, then we can ask after the presentation. Okay, so let me play this video first, and then we will dive in directly to the training. Okay, so let me share my screen again. Okay, so here we go.
Unlocking the Future, BTC20 Blockchain Nodes Explained. What is node? In the vibrant landscape of cryptocurrency, a node is a real-life machine storing the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, state. These nodes engage in seamless communication, propagating crucial information about the EVM state and any new changes. Moreover, users can trigger code execution by broadcasting a request from a node. The BTC20 Smart Chain Network, in essence, comprises these nodes and their collaborative communications. Grasping the significance of nodes in BTC20 blockchain. 1. Pillars of stability and expansion. Nodes in the BTC20 blockchain silently contribute to the network's stability and expansion. Functioning as the tangible entities storing the EVM state, they lay the foundation for a resilient blockchain infrastructure. 2. Streamlined and fortified operation. Demolishing misconceptions of complex requirements, BTC20 blockchain nodes demand a mere 4-core CPU, 8GB RAM, and a 50GB SSD. This simplicity ensures not only streamlined but also fortified operation, fostering inclusivity in the blockchain ecosystem without burdensome hardware investments. 3. Alluring 182% APY rewards. Participation in the BTC20 blockchain as a node subscriber unveils an alluring 182% APY. This isn't just a number, it's a gateway to maximizing returns and actively participating in the network's overall triumph. 4. Affiliate bonuses in WAS. Beyond the realm of APY rewards, node subscribers bask in affiliate bonuses distributed through WAS, Weekly Asset Allocation Scheme. This dual-layered benefit amplifies the value and profitability of investments, aligning with the ethos of decentralized success. 5. Integral contributors to blockchain health. Nodes, as vital contributors to the BTC20 blockchain, play a pivotal role in maintaining its health and functionality. The decision to become a node transcends mere participation, it's an active engagement in a decentralized and innovative network, shaping its trajectory. 6. Strategic long-term value creation. Becoming a node in the BTC20 blockchain isn't a fleeting move, it's a strategic play for long-term value creation. Participants don't just witness financial returns, they secure a distinctive position within the ever-evolving blockchain ecosystem. Types of nodes. Let's explore the different types of nodes in the BTC20 blockchain. 1. Full nodes. Meet the backbone of the blockchain network, full nodes. They maintain a complete copy of the blockchain ledger, independently verifying its entire history. Essential for blockchain integrity, these nodes communicate with others to keep the network up to date and accurate. 2. Light nodes. Next up, light nodes, also known as SPV nodes. Designed for devices with limited storage, like smartphones, they don't download the entire blockchain. Instead, they rely on all nodes for verification, making them faster but less secure. 3. Minor nodes. Last but not least, minor nodes. Responsible for confirming transactions and adding new blocks to the blockchain. They perform complex calculations, requiring specialized hardware. Mining nodes are crucial for ensuring the network's security and efficiency. Node functions. Nodes are more than just participants, they're the lifeblood of the blockchain. Let's explore their key functions. Data processing. Nodes process and manage various data, ensuring the blockchain's smooth operation. Communication. Nodes facilitate communication between devices, acting as the central hub for network activities. Storage management. Efficiently storing and managing data, nodes ensure the blockchain's historical accuracy. Control and decision. Nodes decide and control transactions, adding an extra layer of security to the blockchain. Security. Nodes play a crucial role in data and network security, safeguarding the integrity of the entire system. Monitoring. Acting as vigilant overseers, nodes monitor activity and status, ensuring a healthy blockchain ecosystem. User interface. Providing a user interface, nodes enable user interaction, making blockchain technology accessible to all. The multifaceted roles of nodes. Nodes within blockchain networks don't merely perform singular functions, they embody a multifaceted role as the backbone of distributed information and communication hubs. From data processing and communication facilitation to efficient storage management, transaction control, security oversight, activity monitoring, and user interface provision, nodes are the unsung heroes in the blockchain narrative. Empowering the future of BTC20 blockchain. In summation, nodes within the BTC20 blockchain aren't mere components, they are architects of a decentralized future. By comprehending their types, functions, and the myriad benefits they offer, participants embark on an active journey of contribution and reward within a flourishing blockchain ecosystem. As we embrace the transformative power of nodes, we chart a course toward a more secure, efficient, and community-driven BTC20 blockchain.
Now you see how powerful blockchain is and why it's really needed. Without a blockchain, it's like simply like without the node blockchain is like simply a system that not secure, not safe, not scalable, and everything. So nodes gives the everything, the power of it. It's just said that it's the lifeblood. It's like the blood on our veins that's flowing on us when a node is running on the blockchain. Okay, just to give you an idea why I have a little knowledge of that, because I have been in the crypto space for at least 4 or 5 years now. So I have been studying, like, wanted to know more about it. And so I study nodes, I study cryptocurrencies, blockchains, and everything. Of course, those are self-study that I did, but of course, at least of course, probably most of you already have doing the research also as well when you got involved in We Are All Satoshi, especially when you are mining the Bitcoin code. Okay, so I will share you my whiteboard so that I will explain a little bit on the journey of where this node, or why I'm providing this training, and also the ways of how powerful node is on our system, and of course the syndicate that I have initiated. Okay, so the syndicate I have initiated is because we all know that every one of us won't be able to purchase a node that is worth $27,000. I'm not saying everyone here or who are you listening the replays that you don't have $27,000, but at least you will be able to understand how powerful it is and what are the opportunities of uh, earning. Okay, the unlimited earning that I have seen because of the vision of having a node, and of course because of the vision of our CEO. He really is amazing that providing this opportunity to us. Okay, so let me share my whiteboard. Okay, so whiteboard. Okay, so anyone can see my whiteboard now?
Yes, we do.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Erica. Okay,
Sure.
so to begin with, okay, so at the beginning, when our blockchain was launched, okay, it was launched because BTCC was also launched. Oh,
It's gone.
it's gone. Okay, yeah, it's gone. Give me a second again. What's going on? I don't know. Someone probably click a stop. Okay.
Where are we
May I
going?
request to not please move anything because every one of us will be able to write down on this whiteboard. So please let me do the writings. Okay. So yeah. So like I mentioned to you, when we launched blockchain, okay, our blockchain BTC20, it was alongside with the Bitcoin code launch, the mining of Bitcoin code. Of course, without blockchain, our Bitcoin code is useless. Okay, so we all know we all know the history of Bitcoin code. We know that how it works and how the mining works. But of course, really, we have a node that is connected to our blockchain that will allow us to mine. Okay, so we have only one node. Okay, we have only one node at the moment it was launched. Okay, at the moment it was launched, BTCC. Then at this node we connect our miners. Okay, so everyone that has miners, you will be able to connect your miners to this node, and then you will start mining BTCC. Okay, so BTCC is our token with the concept, as mentioned also in the video, we have this concept, the same concept of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is the system that we copy. Okay, we replicate the concept, the system of Bitcoin. Okay, so that's why Bitcoin also has a node. Okay, so if you would research, so that it's not me, okay, that's telling you. But if you go to Google, you will see that Bitcoin has over 80,000 nodes. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. So 80,000 nodes, as far as I know, over 80,000 nodes. And imagine how many nodes is that? Who are those people that are holding the nodes, and who are those people that are earning Bitcoin while becoming a node? So that's how powerful node is. Now, in our system, last year, the company offered only 300 nodes. Okay, 300 nodes, and it was sold like candies very, very fast. And you know, it's $27,000, the price, and it was sold only for 3 months. Less than 3 months, I believe. Just less than 3 months, these 300 nodes are gone. So that's how people take advantage if they understand, or if you are going to understand why node is very important or very powerful. Because imagine if you have $27,000, they manage to buy, some of them probably buy 2 or 3 nodes because they know it will give them generational wealth in the future. That's how it is. Okay, so this is what I'm exciting, that I really wanted to take part of a node, because unfortunately I cannot afford the $27,000. So I initiated a syndicate system. Okay, This syndicate will be based on trust, okay? Because it's really important. You don't know me, I don't know I don't know most of you there, but of course, since we are in the same company, then this thing needs to have a trust because uh I will be the one holding the wallet. So that means every profit that we're going to get, it will go to my wallet. I am the one who's holding the wallet. So if you don't trust me, then that's the thing that you want. Probably you will not be able to join the syndicate. But of course, with regards to the trust, okay, I will make sure that your trust is worth it for me. Okay. So on this syndicate, at least, okay, the only offer that I can give to you, okay, is I will be providing the computer. Okay. So I will be providing the computer that will run the node. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Remember the requirements of being a node. You need to have 4-core CPU, at least 50 gig of hard drives, and then 8 gig of memory. Okay, and it should run 24/7. And of course, without internet as well, it will be useless. So everything will be the one, I will be the one managing as well, doing the maintenance of the computer and everything. So this is the offer that I wanted to give to you, okay? So this is going to be your free bonus of becoming a member of the syndicate, okay? Because it's a good thing that, if we didn't start, or if I didn't initiate this, because I really wanted to become a node, but without the $27,000, I don't know. But with the help of you and the team, okay, we will be able to do that, and then we will be able to partake. So I decided, I decided that the node will be the price of $27,000 will be split into $1,000. Okay, so $1,000. So that means there are 27 slots available on this node. Okay, so very simple. $1,000 a minimum investment. I will show you later why 1,000 is worth it to having it. But just to give you an idea, with you just give the $1,000, and then you will earn every day, every single minute. Okay, so 27 slots. So I will give you also an update. Okay, at least on these 27 slots for you to, if you're going to be interested. Okay, these 27 slots is already filled, already gone. Okay, but I am willing to do one more node if there will be enough people to fill in the 27 slots more. So that's the thing. Okay, the same thing. I will still cover the computer, the internet, the maintenance, and everything for the second node. So that means you still have a chance. Okay, we still have a chance. But we have to act faster. Why? As far as I know, there are only 4, 5, or 6 nodes left out of the 60 that was offered 2 weeks ago. So we only have 60. They offered only 60 nodes, but this is almost gone. Okay, and one of this is, of course, in this 27 slot. Very soon we will be able to get that. So that means 5 nodes were left. So we have to act faster if we want to do the second syndicate. Okay. If that would be the case, then let's say if we don't beat the time, or we won't be able to get the second node, I'm pretty sure they will offer it again next time. I'm pretty sure they will not close the node very soon. Why? Imagine the 80,000 nodes of Bitcoin, and we are only just having 360 nodes. We are just very new. So I can imagine that very soon we will going to have thousands of nodes. Thousands of nodes. But the opportunity on this one, this is really amazing. That's why I initiated also is this. Because why? Because they offered the price for the 60 nodes at the same price they offered last year. My worry, and of course I hope it's not, no, right? That after these 60 nodes, they will offer it again at a higher price. So that's something that I'm really, really hoping that they will not increase it yet on the next offer after this 60. I believe they said last year after the 300 nodes they will offer it and they will open it at this year at the price of $54,000. Where we are fortunate because we got it for $27,000. But I don't know. I don't know the price. What will be the price of the coming nodes after these 60 numbers? So this is really, really important that if we can, at least we can do 27 more for that. We can get one of these 5 left node, then that would be amazing to us. Yeah, it's really exciting because you will be surprised what it can give you when I show you the Excel sheet. Okay, so just give me a moment. I will share the Excel sheet. But of course, I wanted to share you the why $1,000 is worth it. Okay, why your $1,000 is worth it. Okay, so it is worth it because your node or our node or the node that we're going to have is going to run for lifetime. For just $1,000, one time $1,000, and you will get it for lifetime. Why? That's very important also to know. Why node will be lifetime? Okay, now remember, we are mining BTCC. And BTCC has, okay, let's do that, 21 million supply. Okay, that's it. The same with Bitcoin, only 21 million supply. But remember, we are going to mine this 21 million supply for 140 years. Are you still alive by that time? I don't think so, but it's a generation one. Just for 140 years. Now, they can say, oh, you said it's a lifetime, but why there's 140 years? Yes, you're right. Just 140 years. That means 139 years more, and then we will stop. No. Okay. It doesn't mean that when we already mined the 21 million supply, okay, that means everything is mined. Okay, everything is gone on the mining. That means our node or our blockchain will stop running. Eventually, it will keep on running even if we already finished mining the 21 million supply of a token. It will keep mining. The same with Bitcoin, okay? Remember right now, Bitcoin has only 1.3 million Bitcoin left. That is going to be mined. 1.3 million. But that 1.3 million is to be mined in the next 100 years. Bitcoin is just 15 years old. So we still have 100 more years to mine this 1.3 million. Why? Because of the system of halving. So we have our halving years. Okay? Every 4 years we have our halving years. So our first halving will happen on 2027. But of course, Bitcoin has already done 4 halvings. And, it's really amazing. Actually, when we started Bitcoin, I think, or when we learned about Bitcoin, I think we regret that we did not take part of being a Bitcoin miner. But of course, now that Bitcoin Code is giving us the opportunity to be at the beginning, giving you second chance with the new Bitcoin, which is the Bitcoin Code. I want you to take advantage also of being a miners. And then, of course, being a node that you will be able to get in 140 years of running and beyond. Okay? And beyond. So, okay, let's dive in with the numbers so that you'll understand why your $1,000 is worth a lifetime. Okay? So, let me stop my sharing and then I will go to my Excel sheet. Okay? If you have questions, I know you are writing down your notes and you have questions. Let's do that after the presentation. So let's that. Just few more minutes and we will be on the question and answer. Okay, let me stop and then let me open my Excel sheet. Give me a second. Share my screen again. I hope I can share my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, we do, Dennis.
Amazing. Thanks, Erica. Where did you go? Okay, there you go. Give me a second. Okay. So you can still see my screen, right? Okay, perfect. Okay, so now this is this small computation that I did, okay? So let's compute this with, of course, the cost of the miner is $27,000, okay? So we have 27 slots, 27 members. It doesn't mean that it should be a per person, okay? But of course, if you can buy how many slots that you can buy, that's okay. 5 slots, 7 slots, then you pay the amount of per divided by 1,000, okay? And then of course, we have the whooping return of 182% per year. Isn't that amazing? That is really an amazing return that we're going to get for just one time $27,000. And of course, yeah, if you compute it to the monthly, then you will be able to see it at 15.17%, which is not bad. Okay? So, very simple computation. Okay? How much are we going to earn with one time $27,000 earning 182%? So very simple, multiply this 127 and get the 182%. Then of course, this is going to be the amount of money that we are going to get. 49,140. If you are an owner of the node, of course, you get this every year. Okay? Like I'm telling you, this is just a hypothetical example. I'm giving you the numbers that I know of that is a potential, okay? And also, this is not a financial advice, okay? I am not showing also this to convince everyone here. I'm just trying to share what is the what can you have on the opportunity that being a node, okay, being partaker of this syndicate. And then of course, I wanted to make sure that this is all just for information purposes only. Okay? So now, if you will be earning extra $49,000 a year, I believe if you are a holder of a node, I think it would be like what would it give you? What would your life change? How can this your lifestyle change, right? This is really amazing. But we have to start somewhere. That's very important. So that's why if we cannot afford things, let's say that's the beauty of it, that we have to uh let's say, what do you call this? With the bank is what is doing, the bank is doing, leverage others people's money. Okay? So this time we are not going to leverage others people. We are still going to leverage others people's money because we are doing a syndicate. So we are leveraging each other, and then of course we are going to benefit each other. So this is something really unique, right? So if you cannot afford it, find the solution. Don't focus on the problem. Find the solution always. And this is a very simple solution that I thought of, and also I believe that would be able to help each and every one of us. Now, 49,000, okay, is not bad. But okay, remember, we are not going to earn dollar if you are a node. Oh, now how would we earning if I'm not going to earn dollar, right? So the question, yes, we are not going to earn. If you become a node, we are not going to earn dollars. We are going to earn Bitcoin code or BTCC. And we are going to earn Bitcoin code every single second, every single minute, going directly to our own MetaMask wallet address, which will be that I will be the one holding, of course. And of course, I will share you that wallet address and everything. So don't worry, we will be able to see the transparency, and I will be able to share that later. But of course, since we have the $49,000 140, how many BTCC are we going to earn in a year, in a month, in a day? So where are these numbers come from? Okay, where this number come from, I just took the liberty of making this Bitcoin code lock the price to $75. Assuming that in the whole year, even though the Bitcoin goes up, goes down, the Bitcoin code, then assuming the whole year it averaged for $75. So that means if it average for $75, this is the number of Bitcoin code that we are going to earn for that year. Okay? So this is just for single year. Let's compute this just first for the single year. Okay? So this is the amount of Bitcoin code that we're going to get. Looking at the $75 mark. Okay? If you are going to go to your dashboard right now, I believe you will be able to see the price of Bitcoin code right now is over $66. Okay? I'm pretty sure it's going down because a lot of people are selling their Bitcoin code because they wanted to be a node. They want to partake to be a node because when they get a node, then of course, eventually it will increase again, and then here you will be able to see. So now, okay, so this is hypothetically, okay, for out of 49,140, we will be earning at least 1,820 in that year. So, or we will be able to get 24.27 Bitcoin in a year. Okay? So that is or per month or per day, it's up to us, but it's computed to $75. So multiplied 24.27 multiplied by 75, that is 1,820. Okay? So now this is the first year that we have, right? Okay. This is really important to you to know. After 1 year, that's the average, the volatility goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down in the whole year, and then we will be able to average the price of Bitcoin code to $75. So that means in 1 year, your $1,000 will automatically earn $820 in 1 year, and then you get your capital back. Make sense? It's really obvious in the number. You can see that. Or if you want to get it in a monthly basis, if you want to get the Bitcoin code on a monthly basis, and then you convert it, multiply it by $75, okay, or per day, that would be the same. It's all the same, okay? So this is the potential earning on the first year. Okay, the first year alone. Now, if you are going to compute, you're going to swap your Bitcoin code, okay, you get 1,820, and then you are risk-free on the first year. Now, we still have what? 139 years left before the mining of 21 million is gone. And we are just beginning for the first year. Now, let's say on the second year, okay, on the second year of the Bitcoin code, okay, a lot of projects comes in. Our CEO creates some projects. Boomerang booms up. Our card really pays well. You know, it's working well. We have the index trading coming in and everything in that. So all of that meme coins that were launched in our blockchain will push the Bitcoin code price up. And let's say it's just to a very minimal for the second year. Just an average of $100. $100 on the second year. How much are we going to earn? Of course, it will increment for at least, how many? $300, $400? Oh, sorry. I don't know. $600, okay? An increment for 1 year. But remember, at this first year, you're already risk-free. You already got your capital. This is your second 24.27 Bitcoin. Okay? This is your second year. So you got this 24.27 Bitcoin. And of course, when you exchanged it with $100, that means this is your profit for 1 year extra. That's already your own. Okay? Imagine this is just for a one-time $1,000. Okay? You already quadruple. For 2 years, you already quadrupled the money. If you add this one, this is over $4,000. Just for the second year. Okay? Now, on the third year, more and more projects comes in with the Bitcoin. More and more are mining Bitcoin code, harvesting, holding their Bitcoin code. And then on the next year, the third year, it shoot up to, let's say, $300. Okay? These are all potential. We all know Bitcoin. Bitcoin rose up like a rocket. But of course, it has a downside. We all know that Bitcoin goes down, but we will tackle that in a bit, okay? So, on the third year, we got the $300, then extra. Remember this, extra $5,000 on the third year. And again, this is purely profit. You already have purely profiting on this one. It's up to you if you want to get it on a monthly basis, extra $600 every month. or extra 200 on the second year, extra 600 on the third year, imagine what would your life be? What would be your lifestyle be having this extra income? What are you doing? You're doing nothing. You're just waiting for the end of the month or every week for me to transfer to you your profit, and then it's up to you to swap it all anytime. It's all up to you now. That's the only thing you're going to do. Wait. Hey, Dennis, here's my wallet address. Come on, put it there, and then that's it. That's how powerful the becoming a node. That's why I'm really, really excited that and at really last, I'm really grateful that we will be able to push through the first node. And I'm looking forward for more. I will be willing to assist, to help with regards to this one. But of course, if you want to become a one, of course, let me know, or let your upline know, and of course, they will assist you. Okay? So very, very simple. Now, okay, let's go to the fourth year. This is what really excites me on the fourth year. Okay? Why? Because this is our first halving years. So, first halving years of Bitcoin Code. Bitcoin Code is going to have its first anniversary on the 3rd of October this year. So all those 300 people that got the node last year is going to have their first year profit. That would depend, of course, on the price of Bitcoin Code. But still, even if the price of Bitcoin Code goes to $50, they will still be profitable. Okay? But of course, look at this. Halving years. When Bitcoin got its first halving years, the price of the Bitcoin shoot up like a rocket. Okay? Now, on this particular example, let's say, of course, we have all the projects. We have Boomerang. We have the token meme coins launched on our blockchain and everything. Now, Bitcoin Code was pushed, let's say, just $1,000. Okay? We don't exaggerate too much. Just $1,000 after 4 years. Okay? Imagine. Now you are going to get extra whooping $24,000. So if you're going to add these three as total your profits, okay, that is how much? $32,000, $33,000 extra income for 3 years because you risk your $1,000. Can a bank do that for your $1,000 in the next 4 years? I don't think so. So this is that, okay? Like I mentioned to you, let's say that because the Bitcoin Code is going down right now. Let's say that, imagine those people that already have their nodes last year, let's say that at this anniversary, the Bitcoin Code will just drop $50. Okay? Oh, okay, give me a second, but it doesn't change. Oh no, sorry. Don't have to do that. Okay, so let's say it goes down to $50. Okay, just $50 for those one. Remember, see, for $50, they will still get $213 extra. That means their profit for just a year. Not big, right? But imagine the years to come, the next 139 years and beyond. How many generations will be able to give it to our children, grandchildren, great-great-grandchildren, and they are still benefiting of the being a node? Because of course we will be the one started it just by having just $1,000. I know eventually after 4, 5, 6 years you will make yourself a node alone. Of course, you will have to have your own node alone. Okay? And imagine this is something, okay? Look at this. If you become a node, let's say in the next 6 years, and let's say we do the same computation at the moment, okay? So becoming a node, you are making this much amount of money until first halving years, okay? Hypothetically, this is the price of Bitcoin Code. Imagine, over $500,000 just for the first 4 years because you invested $27,000. So that's something that we for me, honestly, I am considering in the near future. I'm really excited because I have started, because we started somewhere. So everyone that take action already have take action. Congratulations, because we have this very, very powerful opportunity ahead of us. And it's not just like you're going to benefit it for just a year or two and then that's gone. This is a lifetime opportunity for us. So I hope this gives you clear vision on why I initiated the syndicate myself. Not myself. Ma'am Grace also here. I acknowledge Ma'am Jacqueline. So they are the one who proposed also that we can have syndicate. So I really appreciate that. Okay. So this is something. This is something that really excites me, and I'm really looking forward to be working with you guys. Okay, if you are worried, if you are, they say you are not under my team or whatever, I don't care whose team you are with. The only thing is, if we partake, you trust me, I trust you. Okay, that's not a problem. And then also there, if there is something with the trust issue, okay, there is another person that's going to hold the key. Okay, not just me. Okay, I will be passing also the key with Joe, our upline. Okay, I've been working with Joe for like since the beginning of We Are All Satoshi. Okay, so I've been working with him. So I will be passing also the key so that it's not just me. Let's say I cannot do anything. I don't have internet access. Then you can ask him and then do what is needed to be done. What is it? Just giving you your profit. That's it. That's basically it's going to do. And then yeah, of course, another thing, if you wanted to know how are we going to uh monitor the movement of the Bitcoin code, that's why we have blockchain. Blockchain is a ledger where you can see every single transaction that was done on that wallet address. So that wallet address that we have, I will give it to each and every one of the member. Then, of course, visit the blockchain, go to scan.bitcoincode.technology and see all the transaction that has happened. You can monitor, okay, where did this come from? Okay, ask me or ask Joe. Oh, where does this come from? Okay, where did this go? Why the BTCC is depleting? Why it's everything you can ask. Look at the blockchain. This is the beauty. It's not like a bank that you cannot ask for bank statement if you're not the owner of the account. So that's what's amazing. That's what's really good when we have this decentralized. Okay, so we have decentralized finance that and you all know that Bitcoin Code is really a decentralized platform. So you don't have to worry about that. Cool? Okay? So yeah, so basically that's how and why I really initiated this, and I hope that we can move on for the second, third, fourth nodes. Yeah, like I told you, the best thing that I can do for now is offering the computer that it will run. Okay, but of course we have to have to start somewhere. If you cannot start with the $27,000, you can start with $1,000. Of course, if you still cannot start with $1,000, okay, form a sub syndicate with your team. Get them and then make the $1,000 and then send it to us as one slot. It's very simple. If you want, then you can do the division of the profit. It's all up to you. It's just simply ratio and proportion. If you have 100, the other one is 300 or whatever. So it's ratio and proportion, and then you can do that. So at least we start somewhere if you cannot do that. I suggested the $1,000 because at least in this $1,000 you will be able to see, feel, and look how easy it is your profit is going to be. But of course, yeah, like I mentioned, you can do the sub syndicate. Okay, of course, the trust is between you and your team. Yeah, and then we can do that. And then of course, I'm still pushing for the second, third, and fourth nodes if we're going to have. I'm looking forward to that. I heard that after the 60, it will be opened again after a month or two. So that means we just have to wait before Christmas, and then they will open again the node. but of course, I cannot tell how much would be the price. I'm looking forward and fingers crossing that they will still offer the same price of $27,000. Then we can push again for more nodes. Okay. But this time, if we still can, we still have time. We still have, I don't know if that 5 nodes will be available in the next 2-3 days. The leaders are selling it like candies, to be honest. I cannot believe how they are doing that. But yeah, it's really amazing. So yeah, okay. So let's go to the question and answer. I really appreciate for you listening and I'm giving you this training. I hope it gives you more clarification if you want to have questions. Okay, let's start doing the question and answer. So let me stop my sharing. And yes, yeah, again, thank you again for coming. And so if anyone has a question. Okay, I think no one has a question. Anyone can unmute? Hello, Ma'am Jinsil. Nice to see you again. It's been a while. I missed you on our Zooms. Hello, Sir Ever. Okay. Hello, Ma'am Jacqueline. Good morning. And Ma'am Grace in Canada. Sir Johnny in Italy. Hello. Sir Alan, good evening in the Philippines. Erica, you still there? Hello?
It seemed like you were gone.
Yeah, I think I was gone for a bit. I was just keep on talking and like, oh, everyone is not moving. Where did they go?
I
Yeah.
was thinking the same.
Yeah. So what? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So again, anyone any more question? Sorry about probably it's my internet that's lugged me down, lugged me out a little bit. But of course, yeah. Thank you so much. So do we have any more questions? Any more clarifications?
Everything's set.
Yeah, I think we're all okay. So okay, I will be posting the recordings of this training and to all our groups so that you can share it to your team members and then they will be able, like I mentioned, I'm really looking forward that we can push for the second, third, or fourth nodes. Again, I will be willing to help you out with the computer requirements as we have the syndicate. Okay. And then, of course, when you decided to have your own, then, of course, you have to invest for the computer yourselves. Okay. That's very important. So, yes. So, I'm really excited. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming here. Okay. Thank you so much, Erica, for the help. Thank you so much for assisting. Yeah.
Another one sent you 1,000 USDT TRC20.
Okay, I will have a look. We have agreed on that already. Actually, I'm just waiting for that. And then, yeah, that's all good. So, yeah, okay. Thank you so much, everyone. To those who's going to watch the replay, okay. I hope I have given this a clarity to every one of you. And then if you have any question, please go to the person that shared to you this video, ask them the question, and then you can direct the everyone here available. You can direct the question to me and I will do my best to give the answer for you. And of course, if I don't have the answer, definitely I will find the answer and give it back to you. Okay. So thank you so much again. So thank you so much, everyone. I will not take too much of your time. It's weekend. You should be with your family, but you're taking time for me, listening to me. So it's really appreciate. So I'll be seeing you guys in our next Zoom. I'll be announcing the Zoom in our groups. Okay. So thank you so much. Bye, everyone. See you.
Bye. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.